Done.
Hello guys, so we're just playing a little bit of this. Clone drone.
What is it called?
Clone drone in the danger zone. But
Clone drone in the danger zone. That's what it's called.
Execute the damn thing.
And Aramis is playing it.
Execute.
What's going on here?
It's not real, we just gotta execute. Just execute it.
Yeah. Basically, you just chop up robots.
Yeah. And there's a good story to this game when I'm playing still.
It's about a story about
Robots. Human robots.
humans turning into robots, and then the robots taking over. And there's a robot boss which wants this to happen, and you're a human turning into a robot,
Oh, crap.
and you're fighting these robots, and you're trying to stop the big boss.
Yeah.
That's basically the moral of the story of this game.
Yeah, there's endless mode, there's challenge mode. We're just playing story mode right now. Can you die already?
Basically, you just go around chopping things up, and you can chop off their legs, their arms, and they'll hop around. See how that one's hopping around? And you just chop them up in half there.
Human flea. Oh, it's not that. Set it on fire.
So it's got sort of a good storyline.
Storyline games are really
You know what I mean? The storyline's about robots
good.
turning humans into
And
robots.
They're gonna harvest the world.
They're going to harvest the world, control the world, stuff like that. Later on in the next levels, you fly a ship in outer space.
Chapter 5.
Chapter 5,
Oh,
you fly a ship.
Shootbox. Oh crap. Being ambushed. Oh.
It's a bit blurry, isn't it?
Not to me.
Does it look a bit blurry, or does it look alright?
It looks
looks
alright.
alright,
On that it just looks a bit.
I think my lenses are dirty.
There we go, right through the megs. Well, the shoot bots are really good. Shoot bots are really good.
Yeah, I don't know what a shoebox is.
Shoot bot, this is the shoot bot. That just turned into space.
Oh,
Did you see that?
no, I didn't see that.
Just- Alright. Oh crap, these little guys. So annoying. Is there like a jetpack?
They fly with jetpacks, these ones. And they attack you really fast.
So hard to hit.
They move really fast.
See the hammer bots. But
You got to sort of chop them up. It's pretty hard.
Go to the leg.
Chopped him up there. Oh, yep, almost. Yeah, chopped his legs off. Right, he's jumping around.
Ah!
Oh, you got a sledgehammer in the side of the head.
I don't have any more lives now. I need a checkpoint.
Oh, he's got to go to checkpoint.
I
Where's
have
checkpoint?
A little bit of armor.
Oh. What's that coming out of his hammer?
Oh,
Blood.
that's flame.
Oh, flames.
It's flaming hammer. So if we get, so it'll burn them. If they get hit a little bit, they'll get burned a bit.
All right,
Just-
it's a
yeah,
flaming hammer.
checkpoint. Got a checkpoint.
Well,
Oh crap. I lost the leg.
he lost a leg. He's hopping on one leg
I
now.
just dismantled that guy.
Yeah,
Yep, there's only little pieces of him.
yeah.
I have a jetpack will help me.
Well, he's got a jetpack now.
Ah, this part sucks. Shooting the flea.
Human fleet, we have received your messages. Yes, let us negotiate. We are sending our top diplomat to meet you.
I already killed him. I
Yeah,
hate these dinosaurs, man.
there's dinosaur robots in here, which squirt out flames from their mouth. So you got to chop them up really quickly.
Oh. Dude, gotta get to go this way. Okay. The dinosaurs are so bad though.
Yeah,
Oh, I'll let one of these kill me because they're so good.
these are the archers, or
These are sword.
well,
These are
swords with.
Shield bots. Shield bots are OP. They have a shield. And
They have a
spear.
shield.
And a
They've got a shield in front of them
And a spear.
and a spear, which makes it hard
Oh,
for
yes.
you to kill them.
This one killed me. Don't worry, it's a flaming one though. We have received your messages. I love this part.
This seems like a good place to be for itself.
Ooh. How?
They got smacked in the head. This is what I don't understand. If you die, you become a robot.
Gig. So you see those little robot faces in the top corners?
Yeah.
So that's what makes me another robot. Ooh.
So you become less human. Anyway, it's time to get off.
Alright, bye guys.
Alright, that's about it for your my review on what's this game called again?
Drone in the danger zone.
Drone in the Danger Zone. If anybody wants to buy it,
It's on Steam.
it's on Steam. It's for pretty cheap. Doesn't take much memory for your computer to access it. But that's about it, guys. See you later.
Bye.
Yeah.